ChatGPT is the latest in AI tools that can seriously help you inside your wedding photography business. Yeah, we're going to talk about it. AI isn't going anywhere, and so we should adapt and use it because I would bet that the photographer who uses AI will be more likely to grow their business than the photographer who chooses not to. If you want to get started, just head to chat.openai.com/chat or click the link in my description. Let me just quickly rattle off a few ways you can use ChatGPT, and then I'll go more in depth on a few of these ideas and show you how it all works. You can use it to write wedding blog posts, Instagram ideas and captions, email responses, website copy, create pricing collections and packages, ideas for client gifts, and marketing plans. It can write full blog posts with tips for brides. It can help you come up with ideas for poses and prompts to use during your sessions. It can help you create a consultation script for selling and closing the deal with inquiring couples. The uses are endless. Now, a quick disclaimer, I don't know if I believe that we should be using ChatGPT word for word with what it pumps out. I mean, ChatGPT should really be used specifically to help generate ideas or do some heavy lifting specifically around writing and content creation to get you closer to a final product, but it won't be written in your voice. So I would suggest reading it aloud a few times and then rewriting in your own voice based on memory. Or if you just don't care about that, go ahead and copy and paste, totally up to you. Let's look specifically now at a few examples of how to use it. I personally hate writing Instagram captions, so I told ChatGPT, I'm a wedding photographer, give me 10 tips to give brides for their wedding day. It populated 10 ideas, all of which were pretty good. From here, I could have written my own caption from this idea list, but I took it a step further and told ChatGPT that I'm a wedding photographer. Write me a 150-word Instagram caption for a bride about taking a few moments throughout the day to step back and take it all in with their new spouse. And here's the response it came up with. Pause the video to read. Now, I would likely change a few things in that response to give a more personal touch from me, but it's a pretty incredible start. ChatGPT really is only as effective as how you word your prompt. Asking it what to do in a specific way will have a really big effect. It's going to be a little experimental until you find the response you're looking for, and being vague sometimes is good, and other times getting really specific is a huge help. I like to be really specific when it helps me write blog posts for couples. For example, 2 weddings I've linked below in the description were written using ChatGPT. To give you an idea of how I would prompt the AI to write me a wedding blog post, here is the prompt, and again, you can pause the video to read its response. The prompt was, write me a 300-word blog post about our time photographing Andreas and Amanda's Philadelphia wedding. From portraits and a first look at the First Bank of the United States, more portraits around the Merchant Exchange Building, and a ceremony, cocktail hour, and dinner at Osteria in Philadelphia. This is a massive time saver, and what it does is save my creative energy spent writing. I don't necessarily consider myself a bad writer, but after I spend hours editing a wedding, the last thing I want to do is write 300 words about the wedding itself. I just want to get it sent off to the couple. I know a lot of photographers who do not blog because they hate writing. ChatGPT can erase a lot of that creative block and energy it takes to write your blog. I typically use ChatGPT in this manner to get me about 80% of the way. It gives me a solid rough draft to work from, and then I'll add a few sentences here or there and change a few things that it didn't get correct and make it more my own. So ChatGPT will pretty much give you answers to any request you have. Give me 10 ideas for client gifts. Help me create a marketing strategy for my wedding photography business. Create 3 wedding collections for me with the lowest starting at $5,000 for 8 hours of coverage. Give me 10 film prompts or poses to give the couple during their engagement session. Or my favorite, help me write an email telling the bride that we aren't a good fit for their wedding in a super nice way. The possibilities here are endless. AI is here to stay, and it's important that we adapt with the times and use the latest tools to help our businesses run as efficiently as possible. That's why I started using AI to help me edit weddings. And if you want to see how I do just that, go and watch this video here. And if you'd like to see a more in-depth tutorial on ChatGPT, let me know in the comments and I can make that video for you.